Hello, Miko's friends. How are you all? So, your Miko is back with an interesting coding today. Are you all excited? Yes. So, today Miko is going to make Paw Patrol story. Do you all like Paw Patrol? Yes. So, today Miko is going to make a short story of Paw Patrol. Okay, so let us start. Yes, come follow me. So this is what we are going to make today. So a small cartoon, Paw Patrol cartoon. Okay, so let me click on this flag and show you what happens. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, here we go. I clicked. Yes, Paw Patrol. Hello, I'm Ryder. Hello, I'm Rupert. Hello, I'm Marshall. Hello, I'm Everest. Hello, I'm Rex. Hello, I'm Sky. Hello, I'm Chase. Hi, I'm Zuma. Hi, I'm Rocky. We have a mission. Bye, friends. Everyone left for a mission. Do you like this small cartoon? Yes? So we are going to make this cartoon now. Are you ready? Here we go. You can access online Scratch link from the description of my video, okay? See, here you will be able to access the link. When you click on that link, it will be directed you to the Scratch online version. So here we go. As I have already told you, we are going to make a Paw Patrol small cartoon part, okay? So we should add the characters first. And I would like to dedicate this small Paw Patrol cartoon for all my lovely kids who all are fans of Paw Patrol. Okay, so I'd like to delete this because we don't want cat. Next, we want to add characters of Paw Patrol. So, you will have to download it from Google. Yes. Okay, when you search their images, see, you can find all characters here. Okay, so choose one character, right click, save image as, save it in your system. Okay, and download it and keep it in a folder in your system first. This is the first step which you want to do. Okay, and also we want some backgrounds, so you can choose some backgrounds also. This is the first step which you want to do for doing this program. Okay, you will get the backgrounds from here. You can choose any background. Okay, you will get so many backgrounds here. You can choose backgrounds for Paw Patrol. This Paw Patrol tower. Okay, you can download it and keep it in your system before you start. Next, I'm going to show you how you will be able to add those here in our Scratch. Okay, so first of all, we are going to click on choose a sprite. You are not clicking here, you are just moving your cursor here. Then on the top you can find upload sprite. Click on that. Okay, see, I have already downloaded and kept it inside a folder. So I'm going to add characters one by one. First I want this Ryder. Okay, Ryder, do you all like Ryder? Yes. Select and open. See, you will get your Ryder here. But there is one problem. See, you can see the background like this, no? We don't want this background. So how can we remove this background? Yes, I will show you how to remove this background. Okay, see, for you to understand the background correctly, I will add one background also. Then you will understand more. Okay, so you will go to this, choose a backdrop, come up and click on this upload backdrop. Here I have already downloaded this background. with the Paw Patrol tower. Okay, and this background here, see, this is only the half portion of the overall stage. I want to make it into the full screen. So click on this move button, select button, then select this portion. Okay, then you can drag this and you can adjust this. Okay, drag it and adjust. Stage area, you can see the changes. Okay, now we got the background completely. Yes, you will go back to the rider. Okay, go to code section. Now see this. See the background of this picture. We don't want this white portion, right? We want only the rider. So I'll show you how to remove this background of this rider. Select the rider, go to costumes, select this eraser. Before that, let me tell you one more thing. If you are able to download a PNG, an image without background, then it would be fine because you can directly insert it. Okay, but sometimes it is hard to find the image without background, so that's why I choose a picture, an image with background, and I'm going to show you how to remove that background. Okay, so select this eraser and just erase it. Erase this background, that's it. Okay, but when you do this, you should be very careful. Okay, otherwise there are more chances to remove the body part. Okay, so take your time and erase the background of this image. You can see the changes on the screen. Okay, and here you can make the eraser small. Okay, you can make it 20 so that your eraser can erase this portion too. Okay, then you can make it 40 as you like, and so that you can change the size so that you can erase easily. Okay, now we can see our rider without background. Okay, yes, we will keep our rider here, but we want to make it little small. So how? See, I told you, you can either select this or you can make it small or big. Okay, and also select the sprite, and here you can change the size. You can change it into 50 if you want 50. If you want more than this, you can change it. Okay, so like this you can change the size. So you have rider here. Okay, now we want to add our other characters. You can go back to code, choose a sprite, upload, and we are going to upload another character. Okay, which one you like? Next I will add Rubble. Okay, Rubble. So here is our Rubble, but we want to change the background. So same way, select, go to costumes, select the eraser, change the size as you want, then erase it. Okay, you can take your time and make it beautiful. Okay, then we know that it's too big. No, we can change the size from here. I'll make it 50 and see. Yes, perfect. Okay, next character, same way you add all the characters. Okay, next I'm going to add Marshall. Again, Marshall is also having a background. We need to remove that. Go to costumes, erase. Okay, so we have done with Marshall also. So now changing the size of Marshall. Okay, like this I'm going to add all characters. Okay, so follow this. Okay, so we have added all our characters over here in stage area. But you can see little white here. You can remove that too. Okay, you should be very patient to complete this. Okay, so see, in order to remove these this white, you can do one thing. You can take your eraser and you can make it maximum of 100 and you can simply move on this way. Okay, simply move on this way so that if anything is there in the background, it will be removed easily. Okay, so finally we have completed all characters. Arrange this character accordingly. Okay, you can change the size and arrange as you want. Okay, next. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 characters on our screen. So now we should check the names. Okay, we have a background with Paw Patrol Tower. Okay, but for example, when you click on this flag, we want something else. Okay, some another scratch, some another sprite. Okay, so I'll do one thing, listen carefully. Okay, so go to this, choose a sprite, not background. Okay, we are choosing sprite and I'm going to use this wallpaper as a sprite. See this wallpaper. So I'm going to make this in full screen first. All these sprites are there in the back, but we are going to add this as a sprite and I'm going to change its size. So we'll go to costume. I'll go to costume and use the select button and select this portion and so it's completed. Now let us come back to code. Okay, now we have this sprite over here and back we have some other all sprites individually added. Okay, so this one is a single picture. Okay, it's not the characters, only a single picture we added over here to code this event when flag clicked. When flag clicked, then what should happen? This sprite should show. Okay, so we want to see this sprite when we click flag. So you will go to looks block, come down, scroll down, you can see show option, select and put it over here, show. Okay, when you click flag it should show this sprite. See, we are selected this sprite. So then wait for 2 seconds. After that it should be hidden. So we can give control, go to control, choose this block and we will ask to show this for 2 seconds. After that you will go back to looks and scroll down, you can see hide. Okay, so what will happen? I'll show you. I'm going to click the flag. Yes. So next what we want to do, we want to add codes for these characters. After that what will happen? We don't want to see all these characters. Okay, in that video we have seen we want to see only rider first. Okay, we want to see only the rider first. See, like this. Now we want to code for, see, we have seen when we click flag it is showing for 2 seconds, then it is going back. Okay, now we want to code. The code is not finished. Okay, see, we don't want to see all this character here, we want to see only the background here after 2 seconds. Okay, so how can we make it? Select the Paw Patrol. Okay, see this last costume, but it is not showing here. So do one thing, you can just remove this, then click the flag, you will get it. Okay, then stop it. Okay, then stop, then click on this, you can find. Okay, this one we are going to do, then you can keep it back. Now when flag clicked, show, then wait 2 seconds. After that this one should be hidden and we want to see this backdrop. Okay, see, when you click on this backdrop you can see a backdrop option here. Click, you can see the picture. If you want to see only this picture, and in this picture all character will come and say hi to you. Okay, so we want to see this picture, and what is the name? Here you can see this is backdrop 1. We don't want this, so delete. It comes under backdrops. Then we have this background, its name is BG. Okay, name is BG, background short form I have written. Okay, yes, if your name is something else you can change it by typing it here. Okay, BG. Then go back to code and select this one. Okay, Paw Patrol, this sprite. After that, after hiding, switch backdrop. See, you can select this one, switch backdrop. It will be in looks palette, switch backdrop, select and connect. It's already selected BG. Okay, it's already selected BG. If it is not selected you can click this arrow and select BG. Okay, yes. So when flag click, it will show, then wait 2 seconds, then it will be hidden and you can see the background only. In that background, we are going to code. Okay, I'm going to click see. Flag is clicked. After that, the background is there, but all sprites are there. But we don't want to see all characters first. We want to see each character one by one. So, select the first one, Rider. Okay, make sure Rider is here. Okay, if you are going to code for Rider, then select that from here. After that, make sure you can see the Rider picture over here. Then, when the background BG shows, that time this Rider should come. We have an option that go to go to events. You can find when backdrop switches to BG. Okay, you can see when backdrop switches to BG. So that time it will show a Rider. Okay, when backdrop switches to BG, the Rider should say hello, I'm Rider, like that. So you can choose go to looks. You can use this block, say hello. You can use this block, and here you can type whatever the Rider should say. So I would like to write hello, I'm Rider. Okay, like that he will say. Now let us see what happens when I click play. It is showing the first image, then hello, I'm the Rider. Okay, but all other characters are there, no? We don't want these all. So let us see how to make changes for these all. Okay, so we have already done program for Rider. Then next, Rebel. We will take Rebel and make sure you have selected that character only. Then go to events block. When backdrop switches to BG, it should be hidden. It should not come first. Okay, which one? This one. It will not be there. It should not be there. So we will choose looks, hide. How long it should not be there? Until the Rider says hello, I am Rider. So he will take 2 seconds for saying that. See, when you go to Rider option, you can see he's saying hello, I am Rider for 2 seconds. He will wait for 2 seconds. You will go to control, wait option. He will wait for 2 seconds until Rider finishes saying that. After that, go to looks and choose show, and he will tell you hello, I'm Rebel. Hello, I'm Rebel. So you can write hello or hi as you like. Okay, now let us see what happens. See, this is the Rebel character. You should see that. Okay, when I click flag, this will come first. Then hello, I'm Rider. Rebel is not here, but now he came. Okay, yes. Then we will do the same code for Marshall, Everest and all. For that, we will choose the next sprite, Marshall, this one. Okay, then go to event block. When backdrop switches to BG, it should be hidden. So go to looks, hide, then wait for some time. How long it should be waited? 2 seconds for Rider and 2 seconds for Rebel. So total it should wait 4 seconds. So it will wait for 4 seconds. After that it will say hello, I'm Marshall for 2 seconds. Then same, you will go to next character Everest. Then Go to events. When backdrop switches to BG, go to looks. It should be hidden for how much time? 2 for Rider, 2 for Rubble, 2 for Marshall. So total 2, 4, 6. So Everest should wait for 6 seconds. After that, it should say hello. Then take the next character, Rex. Okay, you can't see this properly. Rex, okay. So Rex character, this one. Do the same for Rex also. When backdrop switches to BG, it should be hidden first. Hide. Then go to control. Wait for how long it should be waited? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 seconds. Then show. Then after that it should say hello, I am Rex. Okay, so do the same for all other characters too. So next we are going to code for Sky. Do the same, repeat the same steps. When backdrop switches to BG, then give looks, hide this sprite first. Then after that give control to wait for some seconds. So Rider 2, Rubble 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So now we need to wait for 10 seconds. Okay, like this you have to calculate the time and give it here. Then hide, you have to show them after that. Then it will say hi, I'm Sky. Then do it for Chase 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12 seconds. Next do it for Zuma also. And if you find any difficulty to see this, you can click on this so it will come to this way, okay? So Zuma, for Zuma, go to events. How long it should wait? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, finished. Now we have one more character, Rocky. How long it should wait to hide? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so we have completed coding for all characters. Now let us see one by one. This is our Rider program. Then Rubble program, hide, show and say hi. Marshall 4 seconds. Then Everest, wait for 6 seconds. Rex, wait for 8 seconds. Sky, wait for 10 seconds and say hi. Chase, hide, wait for 12 seconds to show, then say hi. Zuma, hide, wait for 14 seconds, then after that show and say hi. Rocky will wait for 16 seconds. Okay, so completed. Now let us check our program. We'll go to full screen mode. I'm gonna click my flag, see what happens. Okay, hello, I'm Rider, hello, I'm Rubble, hello, I'm Marshall. So one by one characters coming to say hi to you. Okay, so now you can see all your characters on your screen with a Paw Patrol tower background. Okay, next in that video we have seen that we want to we wanted our rider to say we have a mission, so we are moving into our site. So shall we add that also here? Okay, so next we want our rider to say we have a mission, bye, and they will go for the mission. Okay, but that time we want to change the background. This background should be changed to some other background in which they are going for a mission. Okay, so you can type in Google Paw Patrol mission background. You can find some backgrounds for that. So I have already downloaded one picture. See, I'll show you this one. This one I downloaded for that. Okay, so I will upload this background. So I'm going to upload that backdrop. It should be a background, so I'll upload here backdrop as a backdrop, not as a sprite. Okay, choose a backdrop, upload a backdrop, and I will choose it from my system. I have this one. Okay, I'll choose this, open. Yes, I got this, but you can see this backdrop is not completely filled over here, so I want to fill this all so that okay, so here now we have a second background, and when you upload this background, you can see this backdrop option here. You can change the name. Okay, you can give a name as you like. This is BG I gave, so this one I'll give a name BG2. Okay, then next we will go back to the coding section. It's in backdrop. Now we want to select for rider. Why? Next step is the rider will say, hi everyone, we have a mission, so bye friends. He will say bye to us, and then they all will go for the mission. But you can see with this background, we don't want these characters here in this background. We want to hide after they came and say hello. When rider says we have a mission, bye, then no one should be here. Okay, so we will hide them all. So first of all, Ruble. So Ruble will wait for 2 seconds. So Ruble will wait everyone to say hi. So last is Rocky. So after 16 seconds, Rocky will say hi. So this Ruble should wait for 16 seconds. Okay. So we wait for 16 seconds. 16 seconds. After that, he will be hidden. So go to looks and choose hide. He will wait 16 seconds until everyone says hi. After that, he will hide. Then Marshall. Marshall will wait for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 seconds. Okay, he will wait for 12 seconds. You will go to control and Marshall will wait for 12 seconds for everyone to finish. No, before for Rocky, for Ruble we give 16, right? So for Marshall we will give 14. He will wait for 14 seconds for everyone. After that, he will also hide. Next, Everest. Everest will wait for 12 seconds for others to complete. Then after that, Marshall also will hide. Then Rex will take Everest took 12 seconds, so Rest will take 10 seconds to wait others. After that, he will say or he will hide. Then Sky will wait 8 seconds, then hide. Chase will take 6 seconds then will hide. Zuma will take 4 seconds, then will hide. And Rocky will wait. He will not wait. Once he finished saying this, he will hide. He should not wait for anyone. He is the last person, right? So he will, after saying his name, after saying hello, I am Rocky for 2 seconds, he will be hidden. Okay? Yes. Next, we will give rider. So the rider should wait for 16 seconds. Okay? Because he should wait for whole characters. So he will wait for 16 seconds. After that, he will say what? We have a mission. We have a mission. Bye, friends. Bye, friends. He will say bye. Then he also will hide. Okay? After he also hides, it should be switched to this background. Okay? So we should give that command. It should be changed to the background. So when you go to looks option, you can find that switch backdrop, this option. Okay? Switch backdrop. You will find this option, switch backdrop, to choose this, select this. Here it's already BG2. BG2 means this background. Okay, so we will choose BG2 only. Now let us check our program. I'm going to make it full screen. When I click the flag, yes. Hello, I'm Ryder. Hello, I'm Rubel. Hello, I'm Marshall. Hello, I'm Everest. Hello, I'm Rex. Hello, I'm Sky. Hello, I'm Chase. Hi, I'm Zuma. Hello, I'm Rocky. We have a mission. Bye, friends. Everyone left, and see, they are going for a mission. Hope you all have enjoyed this session. So now you can tell your friends that you have made Paw Patrol cartoon by your own. So it's an interesting thing, you know. See you in next video with an interesting thing. Okay, so bye everyone. Take care.